How to accept rides on the Uber driver app. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To accept rides on the Uber driver app, launch a Uber driver application in your device. Make sure that you are currently online to get yourself rides. You will find a Go button at the middle of the screen. You can press on it to go online. Now, over here in the map, you will find little icons such as requesting for rides. You can just click on any of the ride, after which you will see the location and the destination. Just accept the ride. Then you can also select yourself a fare price. Make sure it depends upon the range of Uber driver itself. After that, you can select a pickup spot or you can just head to the pickup spot selected by the passenger itself. So that is how you accept your ride on the Uber driver app. Make sure to have a smooth trip in order to get yourself more points and stars. That brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.